everybody, it's Tina. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with my items from Kathy, Miss Kat's Crafting Sale. And everything was $1. Look at the little Amish dolls I got. I have this little wagon. I've been looking for someone to put in their little seat. And these will look perfect. They're so cute. Some are my Amish dolls. And then I bought this. Everything was $1. She's going to be having pop-up sales between $1, $2, $3, I believe. No. But these are to make rocks. And then Kathy sent me this. This is one she gave me this gift of. And I think she made this. I mean, yeah, she painted it. But I think she actually used, sorry about that, this form to make that. I might be wrong, but ain't that gorgeous? It's going by my fish tank. Not in my fish tank, but by my fish tank. So this makes rocks. And then I got this one also. And it has this little silo also. Got that one. And then this one makes smaller rocks. And I got cement. So Dad's had 3 or 4 bags in the garage. We don't know why. But I'm not going to waste it. Because I'm also saving pie tins. Or buying pie tins. And then make smaller ones. So the kids and I can have some fun with that. And then I got a stamp. Looks like that. And then big goodies. So I got some wood pieces, rectangle wood pieces. And then it's a journal for 2022 that I like. They use it for art journals. Or I said it's a planner, an all-dated planner, but I use them to make art journals. Sorry, can't speak there. And then these were cool. Chipboard embellishment in their doors, and I got a snowflake bonus. And then the book. Oh, and it's cool piece of wood. I'm going to do something with too. So I got this one. It says Little Darlings. Learn how to draw them. And I'm up to the challenge of trying. And coloring book. So you got color pages in front. I feel colored, I knew that. And then some how to draw. That's cool. And then I got the alphabet dangles. And I didn't buy it so much to do the alphabet, but I bought it to learn how to do the basic, you know, the designs. But I thought it was cool just to learn the techniques. Got that. And then, remember, all of these were $1 each. $1. And do Riley take them home? I don't think so. Where I set them. We'll start with this. Okay. Moving stuff out of my way. Okay. Now, I'm doing a mandala, and Kathy told me she had some tools, and I said I'd take them, because the kids are liking them too. They have been using mine up. Or I shouldn't use my tools. And I have 3 grandchildren and only 2 sets of tools, which is okay, but I like to always have extra. So I picked these all up, and there's a few in here that these that have a little curve to them. I don't know what that's about, but I'm watching videos every day and learning more and more. Plus, I'll show you. The hubby bought me some different paint to try with it. It's folk art. His heart was in the right place. Picked this up when he was at Walmart. Because he was sitting next to me when I was watching a video of a lady doing it. And he heard me say, yeah, my paint's just too thick. I can't get to the right consistency. So when he was at Walmart, he picked me up different paints. Riley was just working with the stuff this week, or last Wednesday. We had the 1-year ghost dinner, as they call it, and we painted rocks, and the kids were using the Mandela tools to make dots on their rocks. Now these are neat, these ones. So I was looking, and they're numbered. So there's like D and C on this. There's 16 and 15 on that one. So each one must be a different tip number. So that's kind of cool. Well, it doesn't only have enough baggies too. Sorry, I picked up my husband's cold, of course. And these. That one. So them are all the tools. Okay, kids will be happy. I'm happy because then there's no fighting. They each have a set for themselves. And Riley can take a set. They can take a set home because she's like, I wish I had my own set at home, Nana. These are fun. So I'll probably just give her a set to take home. And then, yeah, here they are. I was like, I didn't think she saw these, but you never know. And I got some books of Barbie for Riley Roo. And then I got some, I forgot what these are called, but there's those little circle things to attach. And then I got Neil Wax. I can't figure out what it says, but this is cool. Ready? These are real. They came off the chandelier. Show me from a house she used to have, a light she had or something like that. And I can't believe these were only $1. And they will be hanging in my windows in my kitchen. This one has an earring thing on. I can't believe somebody wore that as earring. That's to be heavy. And you know what? In my heyday, I did wear heavy earrings. So, you never know. Yeah, look at teardrops. And the light in them are gorgeous. Fishing line and a suction cup. And dangle them from my window. And you can get the effect of the crystal all over your floor. So that, I believe, yep, is everything from Miss Cat's Crafting dollar sale. So she will be having pop-up sales here shortly. Just have to watch for them. She has been not feeling too good, so I just keep an eye out. And if you're not sub to her, go sub to her. And if you sub to her, let her know that I sent you and that you subbed her and she can see it, because she has a new subby giveaway every month. So if you're new to her, you hear it from me, go over and sub to her. I'll have her information in a link below. And let her know, hey, I subbed to you, and Tina's Messy Crafty Life sent me over. Because then I get in a giveaway too. So, I want to thank you guys for watching. Go check out Kathy as well. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now.